Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. It's actually Friday in Qatar. I'm in Doha, so Juma Mubarak. I have a pleasure to introduce you to Dr. Bibi, who is one of the top doctors and consultant advisors at Zulal Wellness Center. And I have the pleasure of experiencing Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Bibi.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Mr. Doctor.
How are you, sister?
Alhamdulillah, how are you?
So, I'm going to have an experience on.
So today we are going to be doing some hijama, also known as wet cupping therapy. And it's a very well-known therapy in what we call traditional Arabic and Islamic medicine. So I'll first talk you through what it is exactly in traditional Arabic and Islamic medicine, or in short what we refer to as TAIM is. And then I'll tell you a bit about the benefits and what hijama actually entails.
Amazing.
So traditional Arabic and Islamic medicine is one of the ancient forms of traditional healing systems which originated across the Middle East. It has a great influence from the Arab or Persian physician-philosopher called Ibn Sina. So we are practicing the medicine of Ibn Sina here at Zulal Wellness Resort, and we are the first destination in the Middle East and the world to actually be reviving this traditional holistic healing system.
Amazing. Do you recall how, this is an ancient treatment. How long when was the first time did they discover that this is beneficial?
So we're talking about the year 1025.
Wow.
So not too long ago.
No.
Very recent in times if we're talking about the years. But this theory, or what we call the traditional holistic healing system of TAIM, was actually theorized by Ibn Sina. So Ibn Sina in the East, and in the West he's known as Avicenna.
MashaAllah.
So when we're talking about the treatment of hijama, it actually comes from his books called the Canon of Medicine.
So I see you have the cups there.
Yes. So Mr. Doctor, today we'll be doing the wet cupping therapy.
Great.
And what this entails is hijama is actually an ancient form and one of the most effective and oldest traditional methods of detoxification within the body.
Great.
So what we do is we take a plastic disposable cup and we are going to move this to the side.
So is it placed on the stomach and the back, or is it a specific area? Because I've had it done in the front as well, and I've had fire cupping.
Yes. So we can place it anywhere specifically on the body the guest needs. Sorry. Do you want to turn your palm up for me?
Sure.
That would be better. So what we are doing, we are taking a suction pump and a plastic disposable cup, and when we place it on top of the skin and the pump on top,
right, I can feel the
placing,
suction.
yes, negative pressure inside.
Yeah, you can see, look at that. So that's what is actually, the suction is what is drawing the blood and toxin.
And also the lymphatic system will be enabling to now lift up underneath.
Amazing.
And also to activate now your blood circulation.
And how long will you leave this on the body, or how long does this last?
So what we do is we'll start first with a massage, then place the cups on and do some sliding cupping. So we're moving up and down the muscles.
Amazing. Wow, that's great. So, I've noticed in our culture, in the Muslim world, especially Pakistan or India, a lot of women are doing this. And I'm always nervous to hear whether these ladies are qualified. What kind of qualification or certifications do you have here at Zulal?
Okay, so here at Zulal, every practitioner who is performing hijama therapy has to have a bachelor or master's degree in complementary and alternative medicine, as well as they need to be registered with the Ministry of Public Health here in Qatar to ensure that everyone meets the standards with regards to aseptic techniques, so ensuring that the proper procedures are in place, and also to ensure that there is regulation behind this treatment. So
I'm a little bit adventurous as always, but how would you convince this? Obviously lots of the females seem to have this, but is this just as good and effective for men? And many men do it as well. I think our Prophet Hazrat Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam also believed in this and practiced this.
Yes, so it is beneficial for both men and females. We find that females do it more often, but definitely for men as well. And a number of treatments and therapies can be implemented specifically with hijama for different conditions.
Great, thank you so much. I look forward to it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. So, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Here we go. So before we start the session, there's a few more. The doctor wants to know any medical history and all of any contradictions that I may have that may intervene. So, you get a full consultation before you do this.
What I'm going to be doing is just checking if you have any allergies or intolerances as well to any of the oils that we will maybe be using in your treatment, or anything you have used before that
Sure.
you have any allergies towards. Have you had any sensitivity to any sweet almond oil or any essential oils in the past?
No.
None whatsoever. Okay. Just go through the following checklist just to ensure that you are not doing any of the following, or you have had a history of any of the
Sure.
following in the past. Okay, so when it comes to females, we're always asking females about pregnancy and monthly
Of
periods,
course.
because that will obviously hinder the process of wet
Of
cupping.
course.
And we always want to provide.
One of the things another thing that's very, very popular in our culture is a lot of everybody has sugar, so they're
Yes, all the diabetics.
all the diabetics. So eat less. So I don't know why that's usually most people are diabetic. So is it safe for diabetics to have it?
So in terms of diabetics, we want to take very good precautions. So we're checking your blood sugar levels, we'll do your blood pressure, and we'll also look at latest blood results with
Great.
regards to that.
Okay.
So what we do is we're just checking the following. You aren't taking any anticoagulant medication at this time? No. Okay, perfect. You haven't had any acute infection. When we're talking about acute infection, virus or flu-like symptoms,
No.
or any colds? Perfect. You don't suffer with any anemia or iron deficiency or any type of blood deficiency?
Nope.
Okay. No organ failure conditions or any bleeding disorders in the body?
Just my brain is gone, but that's no.
Okay. And your last bath was previously today in the morning or at least 2 hours ago?
Shower probably in the morning. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's more than 2 hours now, obviously.
And your last meal also 2 hours ago?
Yeah, we had lunch at 12:30, and now it's about 6.
Okay, perfect. And then the following activities that should not be performed after hijama. So we make sure that guests do not take a bath or shower or swim for at least 8 hours post hijama therapy.
Okay, we got a flight to catch, but I'll just do it. Okay, that's fine.
Okay. And then also we're just avoiding any type of high intensity physical activity.
Sure, no problem.
We're also making sure that you do not utilize our steam or sauna for at least 24 hours.
Okay,
As well as not having any type of oil massage until your wounds heal.
right.
We're also lastly ensuring that your meal for the rest of the evening should be very light and not heavy
Okay.
for at least 8 hours. So why? Is because when we do hijama or the wet cupping, it is pulling blood out of the body, and that is the detoxification process.
Okay.
If we're going to have something heavy, detox is going to push back and you might end up feeling a bit pukish.
So you happy with that?
Yes, all good.
Do I
we'll
need
just
to-
require your signature, your name and the date.
Great, thank you.